Have you ever pulled a tray of cookies out of the oven only to feel that searing heat shooting through your cheap mitts? It's the fastest way to ruin a perfect baking session. And honestly, your hands deserve better than a flimsy piece of fabric. In this video, I am going to break down the top 5 oven mitts available right now. Stick around until the end because the #1 pick has a feature set that makes it a total game changer for anyone who loves to cook. Number 5. Hovico Silicone Oven Mitts. When I first unboxed these, the first thing I noticed was the modern, clean look. They are made from a food-grade silicone that feels relatively durable to the touch. I tested these by pulling a few heavy casserole dishes out of the oven at 400 degrees, and the heat resistance is definitely there. The manufacturer claims they can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and in my testing, I didn't feel any immediate heat transfer when holding a hot baking sheet for about 10 to 15 seconds. The textured pattern on the silicone surface does a decent job of providing grip, which is a step up from those smooth, cheap plastic mitts you might find at a dollar store. However, after using them for a few distinct cooking sessions, I started to notice some limitations that put them at the bottom of this list. While the silicone is great for waterproofing, meaning you can rinse them right under the sink if you spill sauce on them, the material itself is quite stiff. When I tried to grab the handle of a smaller skillet or a thin baking tray, I found myself fighting against the rigidity of the glove. It doesn't offer that natural, flexible movement you want when you are maneuvering around a hot stove. It felt a bit like wearing a robot hand, which made me feel slightly clumsy when dealing with more delicate tasks. Another point of contention I found during my review was the sizing. I have average-sized hands, and these felt a little snug, particularly around the wrist area. If you are someone with larger hands, you might find these difficult to pull on and off quickly, which can be a safety hazard if you need to ditch the mitt in a hurry. Four, Paris Hilton Oven Mitt Set. I have to admit, I was intrigued by the branding here. These mitts are undeniably cute, featuring her signature pink color palette and the "That's Hot" catchphrase. If you are looking to add a pop of glam to your kitchen, or you want a gift for a friend who loves that Y2K aesthetic, these definitely score high on the style meter. I tested these while baking a batch of cupcakes, because that felt appropriate, and they certainly look good on camera. The heart-shaped silicone grip pattern is a fun detail that actually provides a surprisingly decent amount of traction on smooth glass bakeware. However, when we move past the aesthetics and get into the actual performance, things start to get a little mixed. Unlike the full silicone body of the Hovico mitts, these are primarily polyester with silicone applique for the grip. This means that if you dip your hand into a roasting pan and get grease on the fabric part, it is going to soak in. I found them much harder to keep clean than the fully waterproof options on this list. You can't just wipe them down, you have to throw them in the wash, and over time, that fabric is going to show wear and potential staining much faster. The heat resistance is rated for 400 to 475 degrees, which is slightly lower than the industry standard of 500 degrees. During my testing, I noticed this difference. When I held a heavy cast iron skillet that had been searing a steak, the heat penetrated through the polyester backing much faster than I expected. It wasn't an instant burn, but it was a warning sign that these aren't built for heavy-duty, high-heat grilling or prolonged holding of super-hot cookware. They are definitely more fashion than function in that regard. I also found the one-size-fits-all claim to be a bit optimistic. They're a bit shorter than I would prefer, stopping right at the wrist. Three, Sungwoo C-0435. And this is where we start to see a significant jump in quality and performance. The first thing you will notice about these is the length. These are significantly longer than the previous 2 entries, extending well up the forearm. I tested these while roasting a whole chicken, which required reaching deep into a 425-degree oven multiple times to baste. That extra length provided a massive sense of security. I wasn't worried about grazing my arm on the upper rack anymore, which is a huge relief. The construction here is a dual-layer system, a durable silicone exterior paired with a soft, quilted cotton lining. This combination solves the stiffness issue I had with the Hovico mitts. The Sungwoo mitts feel flexible right out of the package. I was able to easily grip the side handles of a heavy Dutch oven without feeling like I had to squeeze with all my might. The silicone features a honeycomb texture that creates a really secure, non-slip vacuum effect on smooth surfaces. I even tried opening a stubborn jar of pasta sauce with these, and the grip was fantastic. In terms of heat resistance, these are a beast. I held a preheated pizza stone for a solid 30 seconds, far longer than you would ever need to in a real-world scenario, and my hands stayed perfectly cool. The insulation is thick and effective. The cotton lining also breathes well. My hands didn't get sweaty or clammy inside, which can happen with cheaper silicone gloves. It feels like a premium product when you slide your hand in, with plenty of room to wiggle your fingers, yet secure enough that they don't slide off. 2. Mad Shark Oven Mitts GW. And these offer a unique twist on the traditional design that I absolutely loved during my testing. Unlike the standard mitten shape where your fingers are grouped together, these are actually heat-resistant gloves with individual fingers. This design choice completely changes the game when it comes to dexterity. I wore these while managing a complex meal that involved chopping veggies. Yes, the grip is that good. And then immediately turning around to grab a hot handle. Being able to use my fingers individually meant I could pick up tongues, adjust knobs on the stove, and even handle smaller ramekins without having to take the gloves off. The Shark branding feels appropriate because the grip on these is aggressive in the best way. The silicone surface is covered in little raised bumps that lock on to whatever you are holding. I tested this by carrying a heavy, glaze-covered ham from the oven to the counter. Usually that's a nerve-wracking walk across the kitchen, but with the Mad Shark gloves, I felt completely in control. The independent finger movement allows you to wrap your hand around handles securely, rather than just clamping down like a lobster claw. Heat resistance is top tier here as well, rated for up to 500 degrees. I tested them while rearranging hot charcoal on my grill, and they performed beautifully. The heat protection extends all the way around each finger, so you don't get those hot spots between the fingers that some cheaper gloves have. Inside, there is a soft cotton layer that keeps things comfortable and adds an extra barrier against the heat. They are also waterproof, so like the Sungwoo, they are incredibly easy to clean. Just wash them like you are washing your hands. One specific thing I really appreciated was the cuff. It's tight enough to stay in place, but loose enough to let air circulate, preventing that uncomfortable suction feeling. 1. Rorecay R20MOL. This isn't just a pair of mitts. It is a complete kitchen safety system, and the value here is incredible. When I opened the box, I was blown away by what you get. 2 extra long silicone oven mitts, 2 silicone trivets for resting hot pots, and 2 mini pinch mitts for quick grabs. But it's not just about quantity. The quality of the main mitts is what secures the win. I put the Rorecay mitts through the ultimate stress test, a 500-degree sourdough bread bake. I was handling a screaming hot Dutch oven, removing the lid and transferring the loaf. The heat resistance is phenomenal. These mitts are thick, heavy-duty, and inspire total confidence. They are 15 inches long, the longest on the list, providing protection almost up to my elbows. I could reach into the very back of a hot oven without even a second thought about burning my arms. That peace of mind allows you to focus entirely on your cooking. The comfort level is also superior. The inner lining is a premium quilted cotton that feels softer and thicker than the Sungwoo or Hovico models. It feels like slipping your hand into a high-quality winter glove. Despite their heavy-duty nature, the silicone is surprisingly flexible. The honeycomb pattern offers that same rock-solid grip we saw earlier, but the ergonomic shape of the Rorecay mitts just fits naturally. They don't feel bulky, they feel substantial. The included accessories push this set over the top. The trivets are heavy and protect my quartz countertops perfectly from scorching hot pans. The mini pinch mitts are something I didn't know I needed until I had them. They are perfect for quickly grabbing the handle of a pot on the stove or pulling a tray out of the air fryer without putting on the full gauntlet.